Hello, today I want to show you how to create a bubble chart. It's a helpful way to display your data and tell your best data story for 3 variables in a chart. So first, to create the chart, you're going to go hit the Insert tab, click the Insert Scatter Plot or Bubble Chart, and then select the 2D or 3D bubble chart as makes sense for you. I selected the 2D there. Now I'm going to right-click in the chart area and click Select Data. Now I'll click Add. And then for the series name, I want to select the cell that represents the best name for my bubble chart. For mine, it's just name. Now I'll hit enter. Now I'll select the X values and hit enter. Do similarly for the Y values. And then for the series bubble size, that's referring to your Z variables. So go ahead and select those, hit enter. Hit OK. OK again, and you got your bubble chart. So we have the basics. Now let's flesh it out. So we're going to select our bubbles, right click, and click Format Data Series. And then, so we have 2 important things to check out here. One is we can change the size of our bubbles. These can go from 0 to 300. I'll leave mine at 100, but you'll see if you increase it, it makes your bubbles bigger. Next, I'll click this Fill in Line part of the menu, and I'll click Fill. And then I'm going to click Vary Colors by Point. That way we'll get a different color for each bubble, which can help distinguish it when you're presenting this. Alright, next though, I want to add some data labels to my series. So I'll right-click on the bubbles and click Add Data Labels. That's added the Y variables over to the right of the bubble. That's not exactly what I was looking for. So I'm going to click those data labels, right-click that, format data labels, and then I'm going to click this value from cells because I want the name of each bubble to be represented there. So I've selected the series under the name, and then I'll hit enter. And then I'm going to remove the Y values, and I'm going to center the labels right in the middle of the bubble. So that's pretty much what I like. Lastly, though, I want to add a few elements so you're aware of where to find those yourself. So we're going to go to the Chart Design tab. If you don't see this tab, it might be because you haven't selected your bubble chart. So if I select the cell over here, you'll see I don't see it. So make sure you selected your bubble chart. Click Chart Design. Now we're going to add some axes labels. So we're going to add axis. Add chart element, then axis titles. I'll add a horizontal axis title and a vertical one. You can edit yours as is appropriate. And then lastly, to help spiff up your chart, click this area showing these different chart styles, and you can add a dark background, add a blue background, add one with grid lines, add one with open circle, open bubbles, whatever makes it look best polished for you. These are some templates that Excel offers for you. Alright, with that we've got a pretty solid bubble chart. So thanks for watching, and that's how you excel.